the coordination and the endorsement of the city government, especially coming from the mayor itself, ay napakalaking tulong yun para ma-attain namin yung collaboration with East Avenue and the Rural Health Unit. Part namin is we'll give them the expertise on how to treat the stroke specifically.
Doc, last question. Sir, how do you see the development of the program in the next 2 months?
Yan, syempre may birth pains to, no? Kasi bago lang to. Siguro, number one ito, pag maayos namin ang pinaka-importante dito sa lahat is yung connectivity. Kasi we cannot do that kung hindi maganda yung internet networking. Yun, no? Yun ang pinaka nakikita naming balakid. But I think East Avenue, meron silang bagong net na gagamitin specifically for this, pero pag tumakbo na kasi up to now medyo under process pa yung network na yun na gagawin ng East Avenue. So in the meantime, baka Messenger, Facebook muna kami. MOA signing is parang this is a collaboration between the East Avenue Medical Center, Department of Neurosciences, with our local city government. This is to, enhance the stroke treatment, especially in patients who have acute strokes. Kasi now, sa Pilipinas, meron ng tinatawag na cure for stroke. Ito yung thrombolysis. But the problem is, the medication should be given dapat within a certain period of time, mga nasa 3 hours to 4.5 hours lang. Kasi after that, hindi na siya pwedeng ibigay. That's the reason why we created this, para yung nai-stroke sa mga barangay, nakikita ng doktor nila doon, i-tele-consult sa amin kung sa tingin namin na nai-stroke na yung pasyente, bago pa nakarating yung pasyente, nakaprepare na yung gamot, nakaprepare na kung ano yung gagawin namin. Para yung 3 hour to 4.5 hour period ng gamutan, makuha namin. So this is it. Dito with the local government, magkakaroon ng para silang video monitor at saka syempre yung internet connection para pag may pasyente pupunta sa clinic, makikita ng doktor nila doon, i-refer sa amin, makikita din namin. Pag sinabi namin, mukhang stroke yan, dalhin nyo dito agad, madadala nila kasi yung local government mag-provide din sila ng tinatawag na ambulansya. Pag nasabi namin na kailangan dalhin, darating agad yung pasyente sa amin.
So inside the
Ano ba yung pinaka magbe-benefit nitong telemedicine?
Well, this particular program are of course yung mga stroke patients natin. At batay dun sa programang ito, it will help us to be able to identify them quicker and be able to refer them to the East Avenue sa lalong madaling panahon, lalo na kapag may sintomas kaagad, mabilis i-refer sa East Avenue. So yun yung nature ng ating memorandum of agreement. Well, lahat po ng ating mga health centers ay bagong gawa, bagong renovate po sila. Ito po ay bahagi ng ating pagtugon din sa suliranin ng COVID na sana ay nakanda ang ating mga health centers sa lahat ng mga maaaring magkakabon. And as you know, telemedicine was one of the strategies that we employed during the COVID pandemic. At yung sinasabing maraming hindi sanay sa telemed dito sa lungsod Quezon,